Woody.
How do you even train your dog to do
What you
this?
gonna do when you catch them hoes in the club? What you gonna do to them hoes? Get them hoes, 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 get, break that bitch back, break that bitch back, beat it up, beat it up, beat it up, oh, beat it up, beat it up.
Good day, friend. Pass me the beer. There you go. Friend, I still need one more beer. No. No more beers. Oh? I am a dog. You can't arrest me. Go on.
Need to scoop! The wind will get it! Trains are fast, boys, but they named a bus after me! Oh, come on, Trash. I'm sorry. I made a mistake.
How? You know I'm sensitive about my nose.
Be baptized, brother, and be gone from here, Satan!
Dog Sidious.
Wow! Terry, that was incredible! You're gonna nail this audition! Can I get your autograph before you're famous? You think you'll meet Natalie Portman? I will always love you. Mom, be honest. Am I adopted? I wanna go to the dog park. They're not extinct. Jurassic Bark is real. Not now, Derek. I'm right in the middle of my workout video. Sorority picture time. Get over here, Shelly. 3, 2, 1. Phi Fetch Slava. Let me see it before you post it. Hey, sugar, did you pick up the bone meal? You forgot the bone meal. That's the one thing I needed. I gotta go outside. I gotta get some air. Hi, I'm Ricky. Your blind date. I can show you the world. Yeah!
See, Pete, he sleeps with his feet to his teeth. You thought I was the French bulldog, wee.
Yeah, coyotes are so stupid. Those are your ancestors, Philip. Oh, I'm all bark and no bite, huh? Well, how about I just bite your bark then? I'll see you dudes later. Sign the Texas Tornado.
I've been on Tinder 2 months and haven't been matched with anyone. I'm house trained, can sit, can shake. I just don't know what I'm doing wrong.
Why? Whoa! Get a hold of yourself, kid. Hey, Evan, what are you doing in here? Oh, you taking a nap? Okay. My name is Cotton and I'm trotting to a yacht I bought in Scotland, oh yeah.
Stella, you missed a spot.
Bada. Hop hop. Hawawa. Manaka. Manaka ha. Hamanaka.
Open the door or I'm going to throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore.
Oh,
What's up, Mr. Cool?
Thanks for holding the drink.
Got nothing in my brain. Got nothing in my brain.
Hello. Can I help you? Move! That's not what I meant at all.
had to bring my dog to my meeting today. He started the meeting by holding everyone's hands. He then went around the table and smiled at everyone from under the desk. Holding his paw at all times was mandatory. He stared at each person speaking to show he was listening. He was a 10/10 good boy.
Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Ow, ow, ow. Show them, girl, yeah. Boom, boom, bow, bow, boom, 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 bow, 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 boom, boom, bow.
Good morning, Tracker. Good morning, Forest. Good morning, Quill. Good morning, Nurture. Oh, scratchy, 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 scratchy. You good boy. Good morning, Scout. Good morning, Turk. Good morning, Raina. Oh, all the purrs today. All the purrs. Good morning, Pichu and Mesa. Ooh, no need to get saucy. Good morning, Juba. Good morning, Tundra. My old girl. Good morning, Khan. Yeah, grumpy as always, I know. Good morning, Alfalfa. What's he doing? You sniffing? Oh, that's scary.
You're wondering why she's wrapped up in a towel right now. It's because I just washed her the other day, and I just went outside, and it's been raining, and she was in a mud puddle. So I had to wash her off. She's still dirty, but I'm trying to let her dry off in here. And my voice is loud, and she just falls asleep to it. Even if I'm talking to her, she'll just fall asleep. Like, I don't know if she's ignoring me or what the deal is, but she's sound asleep while I'm talking.
Rodas e vou pular nessa porra. Joey, volta.
So my cat loves to do this thing. I'm going to show you. Come here. Come here. Hi. It's a little flip. Rusty, come here. He loves it. Weave it. Weave it.
I'm just gonna try to slip this over. Good boy. Shh. Can you slip that over? Like on his head? Yeah. Release the pressure a little bit. Good. Nice and relaxed. Good. I'm gonna get a catch pole. It's built for this. Then he's gonna argue me, and I'm just gonna do this. Yeah, dude, keep freaking out, and he can't get to me. I'm just trying to let him know that he can't win these fights every time. So now you can let go. See how pissed he's getting? Just teaching him, like, go ahead, keep growling and whatever. I'm not going anywhere, dude. Every time he snarls, he wins. He should win. Like, nobody wants to get bit. Just gonna wait for him to